Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is a very special video on Bitcoin and this is going to be slightly different than a regular technical analysis. It is very important for us to at times zoom out and see the overall picture. So this is one analysis that we should do. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Let us go to today's video. We are going to look at Bitcoin chart and we are going to look at Bitcoin monthly chart. And the purpose of this video is to see the overall Bitcoin trajectory. If we look at the entire Bitcoin trajectory, this is a monthly chart, then there are very clear three trajectories that I can see, or three different roads or zones that I see Bitcoin going through since 2017. The first is this black resistance that you see. This is taken from the 2017 Bitcoin top till the 2021 Bitcoin top and so on. This is one resistance for Bitcoin. And the next trajectory for Bitcoin, which looks like, again, this is a monthly chart, and on monthly we can clearly see this. We can see this blue line. It's from the 2019 local top and it's taken from there, and if you can see clearly recently that trajectory is acting as resistance, and breaking that trajectory is what we came down. This is a $40,000 range, and which is very clearly also one of the supports as well as resistance for Bitcoin, this trajectory. So with every passing month, we are looking at a monthly chart. The price of this trajectory keeps increasing. And one of the biggest supports for Bitcoin since March 2020, or since the crash of 2020, I can say a new trajectory that is formed is this trajectory, which according to me should act as a very good support. And as long as this is hold as support, I think we will keep continuing with our bull market. And this trajectory with the purple line that you see, as of today, if suppose in this monthly candle Bitcoin comes down to 21,000 and bounces back, which I think will be a very big support for Bitcoin, then also you can see this trajectory will support and it will be an uptrending chart. As you can see, all these three trajectories or all these three lines are uptrending. So unless and until this trend lines are not broken, Bitcoin is making a higher high and a higher low on a monthly chart. So when you zoom out, we can clearly see Bitcoin is uptrending, and these three trajectories can play an important role on a long term. Once bouncing from here, again, let's assume that Bitcoin comes down to 21, 22,000 and starts bouncing, and whenever it goes up, the next big resistance would be at around here. So depending on the month that Bitcoin approaches this blue line, the price will keep slightly increasing. Similarly, this black line, the price will keep slightly increasing, and likely this black line will act as resistance until it's broken. So guys, this is a simple uh, thing that we can see. This is all the data available. I'm not making this up. And it's crystal clear that Bitcoin is on an uptrend, and it's just a matter of time before it creates a new all-time high. Again, this is a monthly chart. One candle is of 1 month. So we are looking at a monthly chart. Do not forget that. What currently are the three big supports I have also highlighted over here. If at all we break this trajectory down, then the first major support is from 18,000 to $13,000 range. This is a first big support for Bitcoin. And the next big support is this range from 13 to 8,000. Look at this amount of support it has got. I am not saying that Bitcoin will come down as low as 8,000 or even 13,000. This is not what I'm saying. What I'm showing you is a support that Bitcoin has made. This is such a strong support. Again, we are looking at monthly. So I think it will be very difficult for Bitcoin to even come as low as 13. What a lot of people are expecting, that we might go to 10,000, and everything is possible, of course, in crypto. But let's be realistic. I do not think that harsh correction might happen. This is a very strong support for Bitcoin between 18 to $13,000 range, and breaking $13,000 range would be very tough. Again, we are looking at a monthly chart. In fact, not even 13. This is slightly higher. Yeah, 13,600. This is a very strong support, which I do not think is likely to be broken. And even I do not think we might come that low, because if we give importance to previous history, previous data, then Bitcoin has never come down as and never broke its previous all-time high cycle. So the previous all-time high is near 20,000, and Bitcoin, it's very unlikely that Bitcoin breaks 20,000, and it also supports this trajectory of not breaking 20,000. So this is one important analysis that I wanted to share with you. I hope you guys like this video. I'm keeping it short and sweet. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. Take care and see you for the next video.